What's the meaning of Asperger's syndrome? Asperger's syndrome. Asperger's syndrome.
Asperger's syndrome. Asperger's syndrome. Asperger's syndrome is a neurodevelopmental disorder that affects social interaction, communication, and behavior. It is considered a form of autism spectrum disorder, ASD, and is characterized by significant difficulties in communication and social interaction, as well as restricted and repetitive patterns of behavior, interests, or activities. Individuals with Asperger's syndrome often struggle with nonverbal communication, such as maintaining eye contact or understanding facial expressions. They may also exhibit intense interests in specific topics or objects and have difficulty adapting to changes in routine or environment.